Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today we're in my garage and we're going to engrave using the Creality Falcon A1 laser, and we're going to engrave this cutting board. So let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, so we have the wood. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it with a little towel, make sure there's nothing on it, no dust. And we're gonna go ahead and place it in here. I'm gonna line it up at the bottom so it is lined up against the white border, so I know that it is centered. So we're also going to take the focal and we need to move the laser up. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna loosen this up. And let's move that. So this goes up. And we're going to line this up. We're going to put it on the third one for engraving. Okay. And we're going to set that just like that, and then we're going to tighten it. So now this is the right set, and we're going to go ahead and just close this up and head on over to LightBurn. And I'm going to use a PNG file for this. So we're going to go up here to File, Import, and I'm just going to double click on the PNG and it will upload. And I'm going to go ahead and drag it here to the dimensions that I need. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this dimensions. I'm actually doing this on walnut wood as well. So we're going to go up here and we are going to double click here, and I'm going to change the speed to 1500, and the power we're going to do 80. So many people do air assist on, air assist off. I've heard so many different things. Some people think when you engrave you should have the air assist off because it may blow dust. So I don't know, it's up to you on what you want to do. I actually had mine on, and then halfway through I decided to turn it off. So it's just whatever you guys want to do, I think. I don't really know for sure, but so the next thing we're going to do is go to over scanning, and I'm going to go ahead and do 3%. Oops, let's go back in and double click. All right, so I'm going to do 3%. So for the line interval, I'm doing 0.100. DPI is 2.5. And I'm going to go ahead and change the image mode to Jarvis. We're going to do one pass, and we're going to go ahead and hit OK. You also need to make sure your device is connected. So we're going to go ahead and click here, and I'm going to add my Creality A1. And you'll see here the image is down here. So we're just going to go ahead and scroll using on the mouse. It has the little scrolling tab. I'm just going to scroll it. Then I'm going to click up here to this little plus sign and drag this up here so we can see the design. So there it is. And let me go ahead and make it a little bit bigger just so you guys can see it. There it is. And I'm going to do current position because I like to position the laser on the cutting board where I think it should be, and then start from there. And also we're going to go up here to this little TV screen. We're going to look here, and we just want to always double check this to make sure that we have our settings correct. So we can just scrub it really fast, and that looks perfect. We're going to hit OK. We're going to go ahead and do frame just to make sure that it is going to cut in the correct area. Perfect. And we're ready to go ahead and hit start. This looks awesome. We need to brush it off. Okay, so I'm gonna take a paintbrush and you can kind of get the dust and stuff out of there. There's really, I don't think, any in there. That looks so awesome. That looks really, really good. We're gonna go ahead and put some oil on here as well to clean it up and check it out and see what it looks like. We'll be back. This was the first time that I ever made one of these, and I am so impressed. I think it turned out awesome. I would love to know what you guys think. Originally, I wanted to do the whole board like this. I made it a lot smaller, and this took about 40 minutes. So I'm super duper impressed. I think it turned out amazing, especially for my first time. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. I love this stuff. This is, it's a mineral oil, it's orange and lemon. It smells really good, and it's really good to condition the wood. So I'm just gonna use a paper towel. I don't know if that's the way you do it, but that is how I do it. So we're just gonna put some on here, and we're just going to kind of rub it in. And it smells super good. And what I do is I rub it in, and then you kind of wipe a little bit of it off. And then once it dries, I turn it over and do the other side. So I'm gonna just kind of do the borders. And, ooh, didn't mean for that to fall out. Let's do the corners. So this, and I got a little paper towel on there. Let's get that out. Okay. So let's dry it off a little bit. But look at that. I love it. I think it looks awesome. So comment below, let me know what you guys think. I would love to know what you guys think. Is this a yay or is this a nay? If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, comment below, let me know. But this would actually make an awesome gift for so many different things. So this is really nice to be able to have the laser to do stuff like this, because this would make an awesome gift. So, or if you have a small business, this would be awesome for selling. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it too. Bye, guys.